My brothers and sisters, every single one of us has been created in a way that we need the help of others in order to survive. Have you thought of that? Nobody is absolutely independent. Although, yes, we are dependent upon Allah and Allah alone to fulfill our needs, but Allah requires and He sends to us those who will help us fulfill those needs. It doesn't mean it's not from Allah. If I were not well and I needed the doctor, I would need to pray to the Almighty for cure, and I would still need to visit the doctor and pray that Allah grants the doctor the ability to diagnose correctly and to prescribe the correct medication, or to hold his hand while he is operating in the case of the need of an operation or surgery, and to grant success either to the procedure or the medication that I have taken. But it was from Allah. Do you get what I'm saying? So no matter what, we need Allah, definitely. But together with that, the plan of Allah includes the fact that we need each other. For this reason, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Quran, وَلَا تَنْسَوُا الْفَضْلَ بَيْنَكُمْ. Don't forget to be virtuous, to be kind to one another. Don't forget to reach out to one another in a good way, to be good to each other, because you're going to need each other as you actually live on this earth.